like a pearl without a shell, a fish without a fin, a body without a soul. So what is beauty if your brain is empty? A pleasant good evening to each and every one of you. Viva Santonino is standing before your eyes as a 24-year-old singer, an AB Communication Arts graduate from the Royal Pontifical University of Santo Tomas. All the way from the Gupan Extension, Santa Manila, my name is Mikali Adriano, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, the one and only, the proud lady who captures the heart of Mr. Ace Espinosa in the Machina Pilipinas 1995, the one and only Miss Maricel Morales, na nag-iiwan po sa inyong halapan na mas gugustuhin ko pa po tumira sa bahay kubo dahil nakatira ay tao. Pero aanhin natin ang bahay na bato kung katulong ka lang dito. Maraming salamat po.